Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at the another prototype methods of strings, which is toLowerCase and toUpperCase. Basically if we use the toLowerCase, it will convert our string to the lowercase, and if we use toUpperCase, it will convert our string to uppercase. And the both method will return a new string. It will not mutate the original array. So if I come over here, as you can see that we do have a string of Ministry of JavaScript in a lowercase format, and what I want to do is I want to convert this lowercase to a uppercase. So to do that, I can come over here, console.log str.to uppercase. As you can see that our string has been converted to uppercase. And similarly, if I want to, if we do have a string of uppercases, and what we want to do is we want to convert this string into toLowerCase, then we can use .to lowercase. As you can see that our string has been successfully converted to lowercase. So these are the methods. If you want to perform these actions, then you can use these methods. Okay, so this is it from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.